Welcome to HI Consulting, your trusted source for automotive industry updates. Today, we have a lot to cover as we delve into some recent developments in regulations and standards within the automotive industry. Let's start with the meeting minutes for CSMS and SUMS, held on November 21, 2022. COTRI convened a meeting with manufacturers to discuss the introduction of regulations for CSMS and SUMS. Key points included discussions on cybersecurity, with Mollet and COTRI presenting a draft for the Motor Vehicle Management Act concerning CSMS. The draft outlined definitions, manufacturer obligations, certification processes, and penalties. Basically, the concept of regulation is harmonized with UNECER 155. It is worth knowing that the manufacturer should obtain the certification for CSMS in advance and should undergo modification certification if the certified matters are changed. Let's move on to the NCAP TP revision draft. COTRI presented a revision draft to clarify test procedures and strengthen requirements, including seat adjustments for various impact scenarios. Let's explore the specifics of this revision. For frontal impact tests of TPCS1, the draft outlines procedures for adjusting inboard seats. If adjustable, seats should be set to the manufacturer's suggested position. Otherwise, adjustments should mimic those of the front occupant seat. Similarly, for frontal ODB impact tests of TPCS2, procedures include setting head restraints to mid-positions for height and tilt, with lumbar support and armrests adjusted to the lowest position to avoid interference with test dummies. Moving on to side impact tests of TPCS3, adjustments for adjustable back seats should follow the manufacturer's suggested position. If unspecified, seats should be set at a 25 degrees angle to vertical. Additionally, head restraints should be positioned at mid-height and mid-locking position for tilt to ensure proper testing conditions. Next, let's discuss the bill proposal of the Air Environment Conservation Act. A group of lawmakers proposed a bill concerning compensation for defect repair expenses for vehicle owners. The proposed revision seeks to protect vehicle owners who incurred expenses for defect repairs before official defect rectification decisions. According to the proposed revision, an administrative fine not exceeding $1 million will be imposed if failing to compensate the defect repair expense for the vehicle owner. Moving forward, we have the designation of chemical products for consumers subject to safety check and standards for safety and labeling. MOE promulgated a revision to expand the scope of products subject to safety and labeling requirements. New products such as hardeners, applicable to leather for vehicles, and hardening accelerators for adhesives, are included in the safety check requirements. Additionally, certain products are excluded from the safety check scope. For example, tire sealant is excluded from the safety check requirements for gap and crack fillers, provided they are used with tire repair kits without any external leakage. Furthermore, the revision introduces new uses of disinfectants subject to safety checks. Infectants used in filters for air purifiers and air purification filters installed in air conditioners are now included in the safety check requirements. Lastly, let's talk about the pre-announcement of regulations for radio frequency allocation. This revision draft aims to allocate frequencies for wireless power transmission, fostering the eco-friendly mobility industry and promoting wireless charging devices. Allocating the recommended frequency band will facilitate the widespread adoption of wireless charging technology. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit us at hiconsulting.co.kr or email us at hskim@hiconsulting.co.kr.